What's up everyone, it's Nina Nkechi, just doing a quick video here on an everyday look that I love to do for makeup, just something light. Right now we're going in with Advanced Night Repair Estee Lauder under eye cream and some moisturizer. And now we're getting ready to do our brows. Okay, so with the brows, I love the NYX NYX pencil. I love it. I love it. I love it. The reason why I love it is because it's super thin. Super thin means that you have the ability to control your eyebrows and the way that they come out. You have the ability to shape them. You don't have to worry about it being too soft and coming out too dark. That's what I love about it. I love to be able to have control of my eyebrows and how they come out and not have to do it multiple times, because who hates to do their makeup over and over again? That gets kind of frustrating. So I love this pencil. I love how it is thin. I love how it gives me the ability to do hair-like strokes because of how thin the pencil is. I'm using it in like a dark brown. So I'm just going in with my NYX pencil right now, NYX pencil, and just filling in my brows, you know? And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and get into the eyes. So let's see. So here we're just going in really quick, feathering my brows. I don't like harsh lines, so I'm just taking them away. So now I'm just going in with my LA Girl concealer. Like, who doesn't love LA Girl concealer? LA Girl concealer has been around for years. It's super affordable. You can find it at any beauty supply store. I'm using Cool Tan, and I'm just using it to highlight my brows and also use it as a base for my shadow. So here we're just doing the same thing on the top. We're just basically cleaning up the brows and making it a lot more clean and pronounced and just giving it a clean look, a nice clean look. That's all we're doing. And now for the blending. So you gotta blend everything in. I am like a beauty blender person. Like, I rarely use brushes for anything, like for foundation, for concealer, none of that. I don't use brushes. I love beauty blenders. So I'm just using the beauty blender to go in and just clean up the concealer and blend it in so we can get ready and have a canvas. Alright, so now I'm going in with my K Parfait palette, and I am just doing the base for the shadow. I wanted to do something really lightweight, not nothing crazy and dramatic. This is just like an everyday look, something that can be done relatively quick. So I'm just going in with the base, putting the shadow on, and then we're going to use, I believe, 2 or 3 colors to complete this look. Okay, so now this palette is from Crown Cosmetics. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And I'm just doing like a little shimmer shadow over it in the same color, just to give it a little bit more dimension and to make it pop a little bit. Now we're going to go in and blend a little bit and just kind of bring it all together. So far we have 2 shadows that we used, and then now we're getting ready to use the third. The third is going to be like a little bit of a chocolate, like a brown, and it's going to be to just add a little bit of depth and dimension to the eyes. Alright guys, so now we're going in with the Estee Lauder Illuminator. This is a primer for your foundation. I love this primer simply because I love my skin to look dewy. Apart from that, I also use the Double Wear from Estee Lauder, which is very mattifying. So I use the Illuminator to kind of counteract that because I love my skin to look dewy and just glisten. I love that. So that's why I use it before I use Double Wear. So that way it kind of counteracts the mattifying component that Double Wear has, and it still gives me that dewy look. Now we're going to take that same concealer that we used to highlight the brows, and we're going to use it as our highlight for our face. I'm just going through with my nose, underneath my eyes, my chin, and my forehead. I have a relatively big forehead, so I contour my forehead a lot. I have no problem with having a big forehead, but I just like the way it looks when it's contoured. So I'm going in with the black opal foundation stick, and I apologize, I don't remember the color, but I will put it in the product description. I love black opal as well. You can get it at Walmart and Target. All right, so let's talk about this Black Radiance palette. I use the medium to dark. I use it to kind of clean up my contour when I'm done. I use it for eyeshadow. I use it to contour my nose. I use it for just about everything. I absolutely love this palette. It's only $6 at Walmart. Like, it's a super steal. And they also have a really good highlighter in there as well. So definitely run out and get that. It's a must-have. All right, we're done cooking. Now it's time to bake. So we're baking with the Cody Airspun. I love this, super affordable too. You can find it at Walmart. And I use it to just kind of go under where I did my highlight so I can set it so it can have a little bit more of a matte appeal and finish. And then we're gonna go in with our setting spray after. I am the queen of dark lip liner. I don't know if I got it from my mom and I just picked it up seeing her do it when I was younger. I love dark lip liner. Like, I'm not one of those people that match my lip liner with my lipstick or my lip gloss. My lips just have to be, they have to be darker. I cannot do it. I love it. I love dark lip liner. I feel like it pronounces and accentuates your lips. I feel like it makes it bigger. It gives it some kind of plump. I don't know. I just love it. So I'm using dark lip liner and then I'm going in to clean up that bake that we just did. Alright, so now we're going in with my very own NKT Beauty lashes. We are doing the Risky Wispies, and I also have a lash applicator that helps put the lash on a lot easier. So we're just putting that on. I actually decided not to do a eyeliner today because I'm going for just like a very natural look, no harsh lines, nothing like that, no drama. So for me, this is perfect. The Risky Wispies are very natural and subtle, but at the same time, they give you a little bit of life. So I love the Risky Wispy lashes. They're actually on sale right now on the nkgbeauty.com. So head over there and purchase it once you're done watching the video. So I feel like my beauty mark gets covered up with makeup, so I just like to bring it back out once I cover it up. So that's what I'm doing now. And then we're going in with some lip glosses. I used 3 different lip glosses for this look. The first one was just a matte pink, and then I'm gonna go in with the butter gloss from NYX, and then I'm gonna go in with the clear gloss from NYX as well to create this look. And now for the setting spray, we're using the NYX setting spray, and then we're going in with Estee Lauder's highlighter. I love this highlighter. It's super beautiful. Oh my gosh, it comes out so good in pictures. And I love a wet, dewy look. No matter what time of the year it is, I'm always a wet, dewy look type of person. So this highlighter gives you that, and I love it. And voila, there you have it, everyday look. I love this look. It came out so good. I hope you guys love it. Definitely check out nkgbeauty.com, and I'll see you guys next time.